Hello everybody, it's Aleo again, and I'm so excited to discuss a new topic with you. As we all know that a sentence has to have a subject and a predicate, and in our previous videos we discussed what is a subject, but today we need to learn more about predicates. The proper definition of a predicate is that part of a sentence or clause containing a verb and stating something about the subject. Wow, that makes it so easy. Now I know that my predicate is my verb. That is pretty easy. But I also have to remember that a verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Let's not get too complicated. Let's not get confused about the definitions. Now I know that a verb is usually an action or a state. So if I say, I love pasta, here, what is the verb? It's love. So love is my predicate. So for a simple predicate, I underline my verb. For a complete predicate, I underline my verb and everything that follows. A good example would be if I say, Luigi and Muji walked down the street. What is the action here? It's walked. So walked is my verb, walked is my simple predicate. But if I want the complete predicate, I will underline the verb and everything that follows. So it would be walked down the street. Let's have another example. If I say Max, Omer, and Sharif are noisy, what is the state or what is the action here? Wow, that is very important. Verb to be is one of my most important verbs, and it's represented here in the verb are. So, Max, Omer, and Sharif are noisy. Are is my verb, and it's my simple predicate. However, are noisy is my complete predicate. I really wish that you had fun and you've learned from this video. Let's meet in the upcoming video.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.